Yes, lead us on.
Okay, so again, find a quiet place. You can sit or lie down. So just close your eyes and take a good deep breath in through the nose. We're going to hold it and out through the mouth. One more time. Inhale, hold, exhale. And that helps us ground to the earth. So imagine a warm light, warm golden light filling your body. Let it come down from the heavens. And as you exhale, feel yourself grounding into the present moment onto the earth. And if you can, imagine you have strong roots growing from your feet into the earth. You are stable, strong, and unshakable. And say silently to yourself, of the fear you have chosen, I acknowledge this fear. I see it. I feel it. Wherever it is in your body, notice wherever you hold the tension, your stomach, your shoulders, your chest. This is energy waiting to shift. And now say to yourself, this energy, this fear no longer defines me. I no longer need this in my life. I am willing to create beyond it. And take another deep breath and imagine this fear as a dark mist. And with each inhale, a golden white light, powerful light, fills your body and displaces the mist. It displaces the tension. It displaces the fear. And this white light is filling your body with courage, vision, strength. And with it, each exhale, more of the dark mists comes out and fades away. And just allow that process to happen. Inhale the white light. Exhale the dark mist. Inhale the white light. Exhale the dark mists. And when all of the light, white light, has filled your body, you can repeat out loud or silently to yourself. Every challenge is an opportunity. I trust my instincts. I trust my ability to adapt. I am resilient. I am resourceful. I am unstoppable. I am enough. And let those words settle deep within. They're sinking all the way from your head to the bottoms of your feet. You can picture yourself from now on confident, thriving, making powerful decisions, attracting the right opportunities, creating beyond that fear with excitement and growth. And just stay with that feeling for a minute. And take one final deep breath in. And now we're feeling our body with gratitude. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrations out there. Inhale the gratitude and exhale the love for yourself. And gently open your eyes. And how was that?
Yeah, the smiling part that you had talked about before, and as we went in to do this, I'm going, "Oh, yay, I'm glad I get to do this because when I'm leading the meditation, I can't do it myself." And so I was thrilled to be able to address one of these for myself. And so I, took the one that popped in my head, and I noticed that with meditations in general, you don't always remember the details when after you open your eyes of everything that
Mhm,
happened. But the thing that I know for sure is when, when you had it when you talk about the mist and the darkness of that, once we were grounded and connected, and it just I
mhm,
felt very grounded and connected, and then when we could bring in the light to disperse and displace that, I could totally see all of that, and it just, like, kinda came in, and then it started doing it all the way outside of that, and it just my whole body just sort of shivered up and opened up. You could just feel the space, having space, and,
yeah, yeah,
and last, when you were bringing in the I ams that were so supportive, that's when the smiles really started
to
filling
get
my
big.
whole body.
Yep.
Even before you said the last one of "I am enough," I said that, and it's like, and then you said that, it's like, "Yes," and you could just feel that confidence and that strength
Yay.
and that love and joy and, awesomeness. So thank you, thank you, thank you, and
You're welcome.
these work. I mean, they just totally work.
Mhm.